Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside the app with the text you want to search. First, open the page in Safari, Mail, or Notes. Once the content is visible, tap the Share button, that square with an arrow, when there's no visible search bar. You do this because some apps hide the Find option behind the Share sheet. After tapping Share, scan the Actions list. Find is usually labeled Find in Page. Tap it to begin searching the visible content immediately. Now you're in the Find box at the top or bottom of the screen. Type the word or phrase you need. You'll see matches highlighted as you type, which helps you refine spelling or capitalization. Once done, use the next and previous arrows to jump through every occurrence quickly, and make sure to watch the highlighted snippets to confirm context. If you need exact matches, type capitalization exactly. That prevents accidental hits and saves time. Finish by tapping Done to clear highlights and return to reading. If you can't find the Find option in the Share sheet, try pulling the page down slightly to reveal the address or search bar. Sometimes the Share actions change position. If Find still fails, force close and reopen the app, or copy the text into Notes or Safari where Find is reliable. This solves most issues, and if problems persist, restart your iPhone to clear any temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.